Every day we go through a plethora of moments. Moments to admire, to cherish, to enjoy, to reflect, to learn, to assess, to act, or to deflect. These moments get stitched together as we see the fabric of our life unfold. As our observations, feelings, experiences all gets weaved within us as opinions untold. These opinions in turn influence our acts, which is either filled with balance and grace, or if not well formed, turn situations into a complex maze. These acts are what we call as judging, and its outcome is our judgments. But why is it that our judgments go wrong? It is because our mind at times acts in haste as it tries to reflect on the past to create an image for the present. And if this present is influenced by biases and not backed by facts, it can turn situations unpleasant. However, there are people who have mastered the art of judging things right or not judging when not required. They are respected and considered authentic and credible. But what do they do differently when compared to others, which places them in a higher pedestal? They exhibit poise. They pause and not react. They control their instincts and take sufficient time to find the root cause before they act. Open in their thoughts, they always have a positive frame of mind which allows them to rewind and see things which only a clear mind can find. Investing time to understand, they analyze the bigger picture before they respond, and always give it a shot to see the why behind the what. Standing neutral, they assess the situation and not the person involved, and being unbiased, their thoughts are fair and evolved. Exhibiting empathy, they understand that there are times people share things just for you to hear, as they want someone, a well-wisher, to vent out their feelings with the expectation that he or she would not judge them and just lend an ear. So let us not get exposed by our partiality. Instead, show some poise to assess and judge the reality. Let us not think that every situation needs to be judged, as some can just be left to let go. And more importantly, let us understand that the judgments we make are more a reflection of our own true character. When situations around make movements to take notice, your thoughts and emotions recite stories with multiple bases. It forms in you opinions which guides all your acts and leads you to decide with feelings and very little facts. Don't you act on haste. Please take a needed pause to go beyond the effect and see the real root cause. Stand neutral, stay open, listen to your inner voice, decide not to judge or judge with balance, grace, and poise.